First things first, you'll need your physical Paysafecard or the digital PIN readily available. Make sure it has enough balance for your intended purchases. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. It's the gear-shaped icon usually found on your home screen. Next, tap on your name at the very top of the Settings menu. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. From here, locate and tap on Media and Purchases. This section manages your App Store and iTunes Store accounts. Now, a small pop-up menu will appear. Select View Account to access your account details. On your account settings page, you'll see various options. Tap on Add Funds to Apple ID. This is where we'll link your Paysafecard. You'll then be presented with different payment methods. Select Paysafecard from the list. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your Paysafecard 16-digit PIN. Carefully type in the numbers from your card or digital voucher. Once entered and confirmed, a message will appear indicating that the funds have been successfully added to your Apple ID balance. Congratulations, you're all set. Now you can use your Apple ID balance to purchase apps, subscribe to services like Apple Arcade or Apple Music, and even make in-app purchases within your favorite games, all powered by Paysafecard. That's it. You've successfully linked your Paysafecard to your Apple ID. Enjoy exploring the App Store.